Good morning, my bookie. So this is a quick update on last night live. So you had myself, Barbie, Ninja, Cartier, and our two special guests who was actually in that courtroom on yesterday, who came in to tell us about what actually happened in the courtroom, what the mood was like in the courtroom. So I'm going to break it down to you guys. So our two beautiful people was Dayana and Hannah. They were actually the only two that actually appeared to be in court with Akira and Brene on yesterday. So Dayana told us that when they got there, it was just them, and that the attorneys were literally going back and forth, I guess, about the affidavit for attorney fees. And Brene's lawyer was arguing about the fees were too much and this, that, and the third, baby. And Ms. Robin had to come through and tell him that don't nobody set the price for what she choose to charge a client when she owns her firm. So basically, the sanction was that Brene does have to pay Akira $2,000. I mean, the attorney fee of $2,000. Also, the judge gave her 30 days to answer the rest of those court documents, as well as turn in all the information that was requested. However, if she does not comply with that order that he has put in place as of yesterday, he did tell her that it was going to be a little bit rough for her if she has to come back to court on a motion for sanction because she failed to do what she was supposed to do. They talked about the Vegas trip. Brene's attorney was arguing with, it was acting like he was hitting to the fact that Tim paid for the Vegas trip. Well, we already know because we got the video of him saying, spent way too much money thanks to somebody. So we know who funded him. And also we know that he got evicted in September and had to go over there and stay with Brene. And Brene had already said in the court documents that, she was assisting him. So we know he ain't got no money. All right, y'all. So then Dayana and Hannah goes on to tell us that Robin was most definitely ready. Said she had her computer with all the videos. Listen, all the videos up, baby, ready to go. She stay ready, so she don't have to get ready, basically. Also, they talked about how the mood was between Akira and Brene. Said Akira was sitting over there. She was just dressed. She was dressed very demure, very ladylike, very classy. And she accidentally dropped her phone, and then Brene's face was like, you know how she just giving face and attitude and stuff. Then she said she can tell that Tim and Brene were texting each other in court because Brene kept looking back. So Brene's lawyer would no longer be representing her. He is officially removed from the case, and as her lawyer, the judge did grant that, and I think that's what that motion was that was filed on behalf of Brene, is that she no longer wanted him to represent her, but he had defendant's motion, I guess, to release to give up her right to counsel. So I think that's the only thing that literally got him off the hook, because the judge wasn't going. The judge was not going. The trial date that was scheduled for May 19th has officially been pushed back to November the 4th, and that being to give Brene enough time to secure an attorney and them get caught up to speed as to what is actually going on with this case. But stay tuned to keep up with the latest update. Like, share, follow, repost.